Cheryl, it took 7.5 days of jury selection to get to this point, with the government finally getting to lay out its years-long case against the former speaker, while Madigan's attorneys got their first chance to try and refute that case as they try to prove that their client is not guilty of racketeering and bribery. U.S. District Judge John Blakey this afternoon read 30 minutes worth of instructions to the jury selected to decide the fate of former Illinois House Speaker Michael Madigan. With that, the government carefully and methodically laid out its corruption case against the 82-year-old Madigan, along with that of his co-defendant, close friend, and former lobbyist Mike McClain. This is a case of corruption at the highest level, said Assistant U.S. Attorney Sarah Stryker, adding that Madigan did this to enrich himself and his associates through bribery. These were not the kind of bribes that were carried out by handing over envelopes with cash. The bribes were more sophisticated. From 2011 to 2019, these bribes were, according to the 23-count indictment, given by both ComEd and AT&T in the form of no-work jobs and contracts for Madigan's political associates. In exchange, the government says, Madigan helped the utility giants get critical legislation approved, but the speaker, widely known to not use either email or a cell phone, did not, according to Stryker, make these requests directly. When Madigan did not want his fingerprints on something, he assigned McClain to handle it. These bribes were also, according to the government, allegedly given in the form of legal work, funneled to the then Speaker's law firm, Madigan and Getzendanner. In exchange, Madigan, along with then 25th Ward Alderman Daniel Solis, would help developers to get their zoning permits approved. Solis, who has legal troubles of his own, turned government mole and recorded many of his conversations with Madigan. He is expected to testify during the trial, the government saying today it is all on tape. It was then over to Madigan's attorney, Tom Breen, who immediately set out to discredit the government's case, saying, "You are going to hear some out-and-out lies. The evidence in this case is going to show that at no time did he, Michael Madigan, participate in his own bribery scheme. It did not happen. That is not who he is." Opening statements will conclude tomorrow, and Mike McClain's attorneys will have their say. The trial is expected to run around 11 weeks.